Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your lost REALME GT8 Pro into database on IMEI.info page. Okay, first we need to type the IMEI number of our lost device. Normally we would check the IMEI on our phone, but it is lost, so it's impossible. But don't worry, the IMEI number is also often written on the phone packaging, usually on the side. So you need to type it right in here and then click on check. As you can see, our REALME appeared. Now we need to scroll down until we find the basic checks, and now we need to click lost device add. As you can see, our IMEI has been automatically copied. If you can also type the second IMEI and also the serial number if you're interested. Down below, type the city where you lost it, then the email. It will be necessary later. Now the phone number with the country code. Then the price, enter the value of the recovery reward in US dollars. Then the country. And now the description. Describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. Remember that the description should be as much precise as possible. In my case, I'm just going to type the dot. And in here, type your contact name and now the incident date. We need to enter the date in this format: year, month, and day. Now agree to those conditions and click on report. Okay, it has been added, but we also need to verify it. We have the message from IMEI and click on verify your request. Okay, and now our device has been added into lost database on IMEI.info page. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.